Hi, I'm Keith Moses, and I'm going to show you how to make a wiggle form, and we're going to use some bendy wire to make some really cool serrated edges. Okay, to start with, for the wiggle form, we're just going to take a block of clay and we're going to turn it into a loaf, or we can take a round too, depending on what we're going to make. I'm going to loaf this and tap it out. And the wiggle form, this is a spiral notebook that's been opened up. Here's a little spring. Open that up. Both of these are adequate, and we'll make one out of each one. So to start with, I want to make sure that this is fairly level, straight across. So a kink like that will be a pretty significant rise in your form, but you can add character to it. So this is not totally uniform. I'm going to take this and I'm just going to pull it with a little sawing motion and maybe even arc it over off one side, and that is the effect of it. So that's pretty cool on its own, but you can take this and even expand it and stretch out that design on a canvas or a board and open it up. And so we have our form. Now we can leave the edges kind of, they sort of fall out at a little bit of a bevel, which is really quite convenient. We can leave that, or we can trim it up. Here's a trimmed up form that has been pushed up on the side to make a tray. Here's one that has been cut and turned into a plate, little platter. And so at this point, it's really up to you what you want to do. So here we have a smaller wire, and these are really fun. I'm going to just twist it across, some big swipes, and much sharper edges on this because it's very close together. Lay that down, and we'll stretch this out. Interesting to see how the coils actually hold the clay together a little bit too, how open it is, the angle on that. Let's see if I can accommodate that. Trying to decide what I like more, this or that. I'm going to go with this.